Let's go step by step. So first, open my website on your browser. Email and password. And if you don't remember it, you can press lost the password. Then you just log in. And once you're logged in, we'll go to your personal area. So at the top menu, you're going to click MySpace. On the MySpace page, you'll see a list of everything that you're enrolled in. Look for the study pack title. I'm going to go down. Here it is. So I'm pressing view content. And on this page, you'll see a short introduction. I'm going to go down. So a short introduction explaining what is included, the structure of the study pack, the sessions, the units or the modules, and a PDF guide. So I recommend saving this page in your bookmark so you can come back to it easily. So as you scroll down, you can see here the complete study companion. And you can press either on the image or here on the button to download the study pack. It includes prompts to help you connect with your own practice, the reading materials, the references, the page numbers in the book, the key concepts or themes for each session. And if you scroll more down, you'll see the recordings for the Zoom session on Light on Pranayama. These will be uploaded up until 48 hours after each session, so please bear with me. And here you can already see session 1, our communal gathering. You just press on it and watch the video. And if you scroll down, you'll see my elaborate notes from the session. So I'm just scrolling down. You can read this on your own time and pace. And here we see all the following sessions with the timings for each. And this is it. Session and reflect. Then you can move on to the next session whenever you're ready. There's no need to rush. The study pack is designed so you can return to the material again and again. And if you have any trouble accessing the study pack or something doesn't appear correctly, please send me an email and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.